to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog. I hope you tuned in to yesterday's vlog. If you haven't already, just go ahead and watch that so you know what's going on today. It's 10:26. Last night was my first official night all by myself in my first house or apartment alone. I was so excited. I don't know, I was not a bit nervous. This whole time up to me moving into my first apartment, I've been freaking nervous and scared. And now that I'm here, I'm like, this is all I ever wanted. All right, guys, we have a lot to do today. I can't even lie. Yesterday was, I don't know, a pretty slow day. I was supposed to get help from my dad. He was supposed to come, bring my TV, help me get the rest of the stuff from the crib. He didn't come at all. He told me he was just gonna come today instead. So that was totally fine with me. I'm not one to like rush everybody. Today, I can't wait on anybody. Like, I literally keep forgetting shit that I need to actually live. Like, I haven't taken a shower for the day because I have none. Well, I have a shower, but I don't have a shower curtain. I didn't realize that I didn't have that. And I also realized I don't have towels. My mind is clearly everywhere. I have to now go home again to shower. I literally went home to shower yesterday. You would think I would have known what I needed to shower today, but yeah, no. I thought my dad was gonna come up here with the car and we would be taking trips back and forth from the house, but that never happened. So I never got to get my shower curtain or my shower liner or none of that stuff. It just ended up getting to like 10 p.m. and I realized I hadn't even gone back home for the day to get anything that I needed. I did a Target pickup order. I got a shower liner, but I did not get like the rings. So I still couldn't shower. So I need to like actually stop playing games, make a to-do list and be on my own timing today. It is a lot going on. My sister's moving in and so it's a lot of like bouncing between houses. I have a lot of like family coming over. It's fun, like I love my family, but I have shit to do. I want them to come over once, I don't know, I have stuff put away. So I'm gonna make, girl, I just heard the garage, like I live under some garages and I just heard one of the garages that I live under and I thought I was like at home. Like I immediately thought, my dad's here, my mom's coming home, but then I had to remember, girl, bye. I'm gonna make a list on my iPad and I'm gonna be on my own timing today because I literally can't afford to just not get anything done again. Well, I could afford it if I don't want to shower again today, but I want to shower, so let's make a little list. You guys, so far this vlogmas has been so fun. Like, please click the subscribe button if you're new here and this is your first time seeing my face, or if this is not your first time seeing my face but you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button because vlogmas is gonna be really, really fun and I'm having so much fun already. So hit the subscribe button because I really want you to stay here. Stay here. Things I need shower curtain, towels because I also don't have towels here, trash can and trash bag. Bro, this is so annoying. It's only been 2 days and I hate seeing trash not in a trash bag. It's actually pissing me off. Like, I don't have a trash can or trash bags. So I've just been like stacking trash. I hate it. Trash can and trash bags. My clothes, all the rest of my clothes are at home. Shower curtain, towels, trash can and bags, clothes, shoes, my shoes. And all of my music stuff is still at home. Record player. Oh, guys, I have a couch delivery today. Let's put that on the list too. Couch delivery. I just want to show y'all my list because it's so ugly. I'm about to head out and I need to put my iPad in case. What am I doing? I'm acting like I didn't crack 6 out of the 7 iPhones I've ever had. Sister said she needed a drill, so I'm gonna drop this drill off to her. I'm not Bobby Builder today. My dad is. But apparently my sister being Bobby Builder at her birthday. Look at this fridge, bro. I'm back at my house because I was supposed to go home, but my mom called me and said that my furniture, or not my furniture, the furniture people are delivering my couch today. So I had to turn around because I have to let them in my house and stuff. And then I'm going home for my stuff. got back home from my house and so much just happened. So they delivered the wrong couch. It looked very similar to the one that I just got re-delivered, but it wasn't. So now they delivered my couch, which that's, you know, cool and all. And my car is full of stuff from my house, including a shower curtain. So I'm gonna unload my car, and I have all my clothes. Well, not all of them, but definitely a lot of my clothes. Here is my couch. I'm not keeping these pillows. These are the pillows that just came with it. But yeah, no. I'm a little conflicted because this is a little more red than I pictured or thought. I don't know. I don't blame myself though, because when picking furniture, I did see like 300 of the same piece, but it was like all of them were slightly different or a slightly different color. I like how it looks. I like the style. I like the vibe. It's doing what I needed to do. It's just a little bit more orange, red. So I don't know what I'm gonna do about that. I don't want to think about it because it's stressing me out a little, even though I'm not gonna let it. I also put this mirror up. Look at how beautiful. It needs to be cleaned, but this is gonna be such a cute mirror. Okay, I still don't have a shower curtain. Boo, bro, I still don't literally have a shower curtain because it's at my sister's house now, and my sister's not here. But here is my living room right now. She's so cute so far. I don't know what to do about this because it is a little redder than I wanted, but that shit was not cheap, and I don't want to get another one. So this is what it looks like. I put my little Govee lamp. I don't know if it's a Gove or a Govee, so whatever. But I put it in here. Oops, shit, I just turned it off. I'm about to go get my TV from home with my dad. I have to go home basically because I have to help him put it in the car. I'm so over today. Honestly, everything about today is a little annoying, but Eden's coming. She's gonna help and just be good company. I haven't seen her at all for the break yet, so that's gonna be cool. I'm taking out the shelf so my records will fit because I have a lot of them. And I'm hopefully gonna at least set up my speakers since I can't set up my TV, since I'm not keeping the couch, because I have to align the TV with the couch. Look at this, you guys. Look at this. My records. If you guys know, my records mean a lot to me. I love music. I love listening to music in all types of ways. I love collecting these little records and having my record player and whatnot. So this is just perfect. Everything fit. I had to take that shelf out to make it fit, but y'all, this is really what's monumental because today was trying me all day. All day. But look at this. It's about 10 o'clock. It's about 10 p.m. I just got my damn shower curtain. Ooh, shit. These shelves look so good. My mirror flicks, they're about to be cute. My best friend's about to come over, Eden. I did tell you guys that. I don't know, I might get some footage for the rest of the night, but I think I might call it a day. This couch, it's nice, but there's very many things wrong with it, including stitching issues. It's just a lot. It's understuffed. I don't like the couch. I love the couch, but this particular couch is not made very well. And I'm bummed out because I really like this couch. It sits really deep and it's really comfortable. And I'm tired of picking couches, them not working and having to pick again. This is like my 15th couch. I literally am gonna have to stop the vlog here because all I wanna do is shower. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for being here. Please give this video a big thumbs up, hit the post notification bell to be notified when I post literally tomorrow, and hit the subscribe button. I love you guys so freaking much. And I will see you in the next one. Peace.